sector partners to talk about what's happened in reality. The very first successful transmission of information using the protocol was done by our friends at VisionShare. Please welcome Mark Briggs to describe that story, and we'll move on from there. Thank you. Mark, make it happen!
Thank you for that introduction. Hello, I'm Mark Briggs, the CEO of VisionShare, a 10-year-old healthcare company based in Minneapolis that many of you have probably never heard of. Over these last several years, we have been working in the background, connecting thousands of hospitals with their patients, thousands of skilled nursing facilities with clinics, and tens of thousands of other providers across the country with our largest healthcare payer, Medicare. By earning the trust of healthcare providers every day, we've built the largest web-based secure healthcare network in the country, which now facilitates millions of transactions every day with CMS. We've long believed that leveraging the internet to facilitate secure healthcare communication would foster innovation in our industry, and immediately shared the administration's vision of the Direct project as a potential game changer for all of us in this industry. Over the past several months, we've been pleased to provide leadership and expertise in several of the project's work groups, and as Anish mentioned, we've enabled the first direct transaction between the Hennepin County Medical Center in Minneapolis with the Minnesota Department of Public Health. We'd like to... This applause should go to both of those organizations and their leaderships, where we'd like to extend our thanks in embracing Direct and choosing to partner with VisionShare. The first direct transaction was the secure exchange of an immunization record, which was an important first step in the project, though doesn't begin to scratch the surface of where this will take us. Much like the early days of the web, by enabling easy and secure communication over the internet with every member of the healthcare community, the real value will come in the emergent properties of the system. At a time where all of us are concerned about affordable access to healthcare, caring for patients has become more complex. More visits revolve around chronic disease conditions like cancer versus episodic visits like a broken arm. We're asking our healthcare providers to care for all of us over many different encounters and do so as affordably as possible. This means providers will need the ability to access the complete set of healthcare information across the system for their patient versus the fragmented record that is being used to treat today. One of the emergent properties of a truly connected healthcare community is comprehensive clinical awareness of where different parts of the patient's record are across the system, and the ability to easily and securely share that information with one another. This means better patient care, fewer medical errors, happier and healthier patients, but it also means fewer duplicative tests, lower costs, shorter length of stays, and more efficient care delivery. In other words, more affordable, better health care for all of us. Each of us at VisionShare is passionate about this transformation in healthcare and excited about the new care delivery models being innovated by our providers all across the country. We're big believers in the Direct project as an important catalyst to facilitate this change and to give back and to show the support that we've received by many in this room. We're announcing today that VisionShare is making an investment of up to $50 million over the next year or so to provide the ability for all physicians, hospitals, and other healthcare providers across the country to join the network and transact over Direct.
Wow.
On February 21st at the HIMSS convention in Orlando, we'll be sharing more details about this investment as well as making several other pretty big announcements. Please stay tuned for some exciting news coming in just a few weeks. Thank you, Anish, Dr. Blumenthal, Todd, Farzad, and all the rest for the support you had of VisionShare and of Direct. We couldn't be more excited to play a role in this terrific project. Thank you.
That is great. Next up, Glenn Tellman, who's Chief Executive Officer of Allscripts, and he joined Allscripts as the CEO to